Jamaican Girl TV. This is the finish of the jerk chicken. This is the finished product of the jerk chicken. Now we are sharing the plates out. Yes guys, we are sharing the food. Make sure everyone have some jerk, and if you were here, yours would be right here, okay? Also, jerk. We always love the jerk. The jerk is always good for you to have, especially in the summertime or when you go on the island. Jerk is always nice, tasty, delicious, finger licking good. Yep. So I'll be putting jerk in all these plates, and then we're gonna have a feast. We're gonna eat. Feast. Look at it. Nice. Look at the gravy. Yeah, and we make some gravy a little separate. Yeah. I saw this one. I love to share too. There goes another one. Yeah.
This is some of the gravy we can show out.
Okay, I was gonna do that.
Yes. See, DJ East can cook then, you know that? He's a chef.
Thank you very much, DJ East. So you all have to go on DJ East channel, like, comment, share, and subscribe. See, he make you jerk chicken. Guys.
This is the gravy now.
Yeah, there goes the gravy. There we go. Here comes the gravy. Thank you very much, DJ East. I'm gonna turn the stove on again, so we can get it warmed up, and because we're gonna eat, so it can't be cold. It's got to be warm. All right, guys. Look at it. Sweet pepper, onions, carrot, and all that good stuff. Okay, guys. We are just waiting for it to get warm up. Then I'll put it over. I already had one of my chicken leg, so that's why one is missing. I already eat one. I couldn't wait. It tastes so good. Oh my God. And I'm taking some for lunch tomorrow at work. Wow. This is great. Now that it's warmed up, I'm just gonna put some over on the plate. Yes, guys, see? Warm the gravy up so it's not cold. Everyone have gravy so they can eat their food. They can turn the stove off now.
Everybody have it. Yep, this is the finishing.
Yeah, the finishing product of the jerk. Jamaican jerk chicken, guys. That's how you do it. Then you got to share it for the people that are with you. Okay? Guys. Welcome to the jerk chicken. The jerk. Jamaican jerk chicken. And you can see other clips of when we were doing it earlier. Okay, guys?
To move
Yeah,
it down
yeah.
there.
So guys, here we go. Yes guys, this is the end of it, so you can watch the other two part that we did earlier. Kind of take a little while cause we didn't use the grill, you know. Sometimes when we use the grill it kind of smoke a lot, but it's a big grill though, a big grill. We bought it a couple years ago for the summertime, so whenever summertime comes around, we just jerk, and sometimes we jerk all different kind of stuff. We do
Jerk, we do
hot dog.
dog.
You tell them what.
We do hot dog, we do jerk. Yeah, we didn't call it now jerk chicken back. We have to do jerk chicken. We do jerk pork.
chicken back.
Do jerk pork.
No,
you know,
sir.
we do jerk fish. Yeah, we do a lot jerk. You know,
All different kind of jerk.
I can jerk
We
good,
do
so
it.
I'm the prof on jerk. So, you know. And you have my son. He's a chef in him, Kasai Kitchen. So he doing a lot too. So just go on Instagram too and see Kasai Kitchen. Dep on it. You know, so
He's on YouTube.
yeah, YouTube
That's
too.
what he tell me. I'm on YouTube.
All right, this is the
Thank you
end.
very
Thank you
much,
very
guys,
much.
for watching. We
See?
are gonna eat.
Yeah, they're so beautiful. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
You want hold on before you.
Cool.
Yeah, yes, guys. I was gonna let you see how beautiful it is. Okay, I'm gonna take this one. Yes, guys. Before you go, I'm gonna take a bite out of mine. Okay, guys. Here we go. Okay, let me. You're fixing yourself. You're making sure. Let's take a bite.
How it tastes?
Mmm.
You see, I can cook. Don't worry yourself. Just hook me up one day. Hey, call me over. Say, hey, this summer gonna start. Come over. So DJ East, alongside Jamaican Girl TV. So
Yes.
you know, look at it.
And big up yourself, DJ. It tastes good. Delicious. Yum, yum.
Okay. Okay, all right. Thank you.
Bye,
very
guys.
much.